5 ideas to throw yourself into a passionate life. What does a life filled with passion look like to you? You're probably imagining a different, more passionate life while reading these words, one that is full of energy and enthusiasm, who can't wait to face each new day. You're probably happier and more content. In fact, you're probably living life to the fullest. You're only waiting on the passion to get there. What you might not realize is just how much passion is up to you. If you want to live a passionate life, you need to take action, to throw yourself into being the person you want to be. You can start with these ideas right here. Start small. No one ever succeeds in a passionate life by throwing themselves fully into the experience with no holding back. To do so is a sure recipe for disaster. To avoid crashing and burning, instead, make smaller changes in your life. Set aside short bursts of time to explore your passions. Find ways to incorporate your passion into the daily routine in seemingly insignificant ways. You'll be amazed at how quickly this expands all on its own. Find your tribe. It's said that we are the sum of our closest friends. You need more than a few passionate individuals around you to succeed, though role models and mentors are a great start. The more passionate people you surround yourself with, the more their habits and attitudes are going to rub off on you. Try new things. How do you know what kind of passionate life you want if you haven't any idea of what your passionate life looks like? This is why it's so important to try new things. The more you experiment, the more you come to know yourself. Take some you time. Nothing happens overnight. Give yourself space to ease into a passionate life, recognizing this is a process that involves a learning curve. It takes time to incorporate all these ideas into something you can use, and even more to where a passionate life becomes a habit. Build momentum. Finally, once you start going, let the momentum build. If you're exploring your passions and find yourself losing track of time as you get into the flow, go with it. This is how you build momentum and fall deeper and deeper into your passion until it becomes a part of who you are. When you reach this state, you will have arrived and are finally living the passionate life you always wanted.